Welcome to our instructional video on reducing a rational expression to its lowest terms. In this video, we will be focusing on the expression x squared plus 3x minus 4 all over x minus 1. Follow along as we go through the step-by-step process to simplify this expression. Let's get started. Step 1 in solving the problem. Reduce the rational expression to lowest terms is to first factor the numerator. The given expression is x squared plus 3x minus 4 over x minus 1. We will start by factoring the numerator, which is a quadratic equation. To factor x squared plus 3x minus 4, we need to find two numbers that multiply to -4 and add up to +3. These numbers are 4 and -1. So, we can rewrite the numerator as x plus 4 times x minus 1. Now the given expression is transformed to x plus 4 times x minus 1 over x minus 1. The numerator is factored into two binomials, which are x plus 4 and x minus 1. This completes the first step, preparing us to simplify further in the next step. In the second step, we simplify the fraction by canceling out common factors in the numerator and the denominator. We have the expression x plus 4 times x minus 1 over x minus 1. The factor x minus 1 appears in both the numerator and the denominator. Since any non-zero number divided by itself is 1, we can cancel out x minus 1 from both the numerator and the denominator. This leaves us with the simplified expression x plus 4. This is the final step. The rational expression has been reduced to its lowest terms, so x squared plus 3x minus 4 over x minus 1 simplifies to x plus 4.